Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, December 31st. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ESNQ. First and foremost, I'd like to wish everybody a very happy and healthy new year going into 2025. Speaking of 2025, it's going to be very interesting to see what the market does to begin the year. The last 2 years now, 23 and 24, the market has had an open and drive up and held. Our low of the year in 2023 was the first trading day in the S&P. In 2024, I think we made the low of the year 3 days into the year and then went up and never saw it again. So basically, open and drives up on the yearly for 2 years in a row. Very impressive. We'll see if they're able to do that again. That's why I think January will be a very interesting month to keep an eye on when we start. And it also goes to show you how the market makes the news and not the other way around. Think about the last 2 years. Wars, inflation, political strife at home. You name it, we've had it. And what if we had? The market just go basically straight up for 2 years. So again, that's something as a trader I want you to really start to understand. The market will care when it wants to care. And the market is the thing that makes the news, not the other way around. Okay, as far as today's trading goes, we had a very large range yesterday. We have decent size overnights already today. We have nothing to lean on. Yes, we had an 8Y point of control, but that's it. What do we expect early? Oh, massive amount of chop. Massive. That goes for NQ also. They only ended 7 wide, right? We had trend days that were taken back late in the day yesterday. So right now we're in balance, in value. It's the worst of your risk reward. You're going to need your hard hats, right? We're going to have to see where the overnight highs and lows are because those will most likely be our first plays of the day, right? Because other than that, there's nothing really right here. Remember, the daily is still balanced. The weekly is down for ES. It's still balanced for NQ. However, yesterday we did have inside weeks down. This line here is last week's low for both of them. So we'll see how we react if we get below it again. Okay? Will we finally get some resolution to last week's low? Are we going to get below it and stay below it and the bears stay firmly in control? Or vice versa? Or are we going to keep going back and forth through it? Right? Those are the three scenarios. We shall see. Yesterday it was very powerful early to the downside, but then we came back and reclaimed it. Righty? Down on the daily. They went down yesterday. However, they're right at yesterday's high, so they could come right back to balance if they take out yesterday's high. So, again, game plan early is going to kind of depend on a couple of things. The overnight highs and lows, and if we get any resolution of last week's low. And then chart-wise, so I'm just going to show you the daily, right? It's one big 8-day balance for now, right? They're chopping all around inside of it. Gaps up, gaps down, you name it. Trend days up, trend days down. It's all over the map. But until we get acceptance either above Fed Day Wednesday high or below that Friday's low, expect the same kind of chop where the market gets too long or too short and corrects itself. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.